had 2 days ago, we had sent a letter to the Smart City MD asking them to do a full safety audit and to do regular inspections also basically for every single site. Now we had set a meeting for today with the Smart City officials and traffic police and everything also, because traffic also has become a huge problem. So now we were checking all their open pits basically. So we started with 18 June Road and we were looking at lapses. For example, we had a copy of the CPWD manual with us. So as per their manual, there was supposed to be proper lighting, proper nighttime illuminators, all of those neon tape and everything supposed to be put on those things. So in certain areas we found still major lapses. The lighting has been a couple of lighting has been missing from those things. They have not put enough illuminators. The edges of those patras that they put stick out. So basically, even if somebody were to hit the patra, they would still get injured. So we were telling them to correct everything within 2 days. So that tragic incident, whatever happened on New Year's Day, should not happen to anybody else's child also. That is not thing. I have given my commissioner and strict instructions also now. So anything as per the law, he should be able to prosecute anybody, whether it's a police complaint, whatever it is now. It should be done. There is no forgiving these people for what has happened.
After that incident, have CCP has filed any complaint about the contractor?
No, see, now we have written to Smart City now. Now, Smart City is the executing agency under which all the projects are happening. Now, once we have told them to give us a detailed report of all of the safety lapses in a period of 15 days. Based on that report, we have found a contractor being negligent. We have instructed Smart City and even our people also to do whatever is necessary as per law.
Sir, many allegations are on CCP that it is not worked, it is not being correctly.
CCP has nothing to do with Smart City first. I don't know who is spreading these rumors and everything also. CCP is not an executing agency at all. Now there are different executing agencies. GSUD has one agency, Smart City is one agency. There are different agencies. Now we are getting involved only now because the safety of the public has been threatened. CCP has not been executing and has never executed a single job also of Smart City. These are rumors that have just been spread by everybody else to deflect blame. That's it, nothing else.
Some opposition also.
See, Baba, opposition is there to talk only. I have not. Have you once seen the opposition coming on the road to solve an issue of the public? It's only when something tragic happens, that is when they come in large numbers to take political mileage from this. So there's no shame they have basically for the death of somebody. They're coming to take advantage of that also now. When have you seen the opposition standing to get work done and all? Every time there's a Smart City issue, we get called and we are standing there till the work is done. Today also, we walked around the whole place to make sure the safety thing is done. You saw the opposition today. One day they hold one press conference, wake up after 6 months, and after that they're gone. Now they'll wake up again after another 6 months. That is not correct also now, no? See, we are not here to politicize any issue. We want the work to be done.
That because of negligence of contractor now.
But that contractor now, those barricades have been there for a while also now. You wake up only now, basically. We've been here now since day one to look after all of this stuff. We are here today, and now we'll be here every other day after that to make sure that it is done also. You've seen anybody of them? Opposition now, no, they are there only to talk. If you all have seen, I'll ask you all also, you all have seen any opposition on the road after that, besides making press statements? One person you all have seen? Nobody, no? So then what that tells you? They are there only to make press conferences, nothing else. They are here doing all the work.